going to show you how to make a dog go to sleep. Okay, first of all, we just gotta angle up the camera. And back to go. Let's give him massages, and you should be good with your puppy. So if you want him to go to bed, you just gotta go like this, and then you can have him. Just keep rubbing him in the stomach, and also the side, and he'll be in heaven. And that should be it, and you should be asleep. He's asleep. You gotta be quiet, he's asleep. Alright guys, my little fidget spinner I got. Here, let me show you how it works. There we go. You just go like this, and it's pretty cool. Alright. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something funny. That's really cute. We better jump over it. I'll see you later. Alright. I just want to show you guys that cute bunny. She subscribed to me. I don't think she wanted to be on the camera, so I just didn't want to show her on camera because I ask people if they want to be on camera, but sometimes I can just notice people don't want to be on camera. But I don't want to disturb. I don't want to ask, which is fine. But yeah, probably Kami's watching this right now. Yeah. They have a cute bunny though. I want a bunny. Zoomed in the whole time? Oh, sorry, I didn't see you guys there. My brother, how he made it he just used these little bolts. You can get it from your bands. You can get them from
just wheels.
Yeah, they're inside wheels. Like wheels those little shoes you have on. Why do I have green right here? I have my green hand outside eating candy. But yeah. And you can also buy these online, which I'll put the link in the description so you can go buy it. It's called a fidget spinner, and I'll put the link in the description so you can go buy it if you want. This is just a homemade one. They actually don't look like this, but they do spin like this, which is pretty cool. If you have small fingers like me and it touches like this, I suggest doing your middle finger because that's bigger than your pointer finger. And if it still hits right here like that, that's okay. Alright. There you go. Alright. Tell me if you want me to do challenges, because someone said the baby food challenge, which I might do. But since I got to 100, you guys have to decide what I do. I'll be picking today in a little bit, so tomorrow. Since today is Wednesday, I'll be picking on Thursday. But yeah. And if you're wondering if these vlogs are like this could be Thursday for you guys, no. I make a video today and then I upload it at any time. But if it's school night, I'm definitely not going to upload it at 10 o'clock. Because that's when I usually go to bed, or 9 o'clock, because that'll suck. 9 o'clock maybe, but if I'm in bed and I forget to upload a video, I'm not going to go and upload it. Because, why would I upload it at that time? But yeah. See you guys later. I'll be back. Ooh, I know what challenge I should do. I have a good idea of challenge I should do. Oh, hi guys. Here. Here. You guys. Alright, here we go. Whoa. Alright. Now, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Hello, guys! For 100 subscribers! Wait, is that upside down? Okay, there we go. That's why I couldn't read it. For 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers means subs. You are a true fan. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're going to be doing it right here. Okay, I want to feel this before I do it. Ah! That's cold. Alright, here we go. I got it all over my head. I didn't get it all over my... Oh, we got to restart. Alright, guys. We did it, but we need to get it all over my body. We're back. Alright, guys. We didn't get the last one right, so here we go. Ah! Okay, that was more colder than the other one.
Are you cold?
Yeah.
A mess, guys. Alright, guys. I want to show you guys something. Okay, so you guys can see the reflection. Right here will be a mic tomorrow. I'll be using the selfie stick for the last day because I ordered a gorilla tripod from Amazon.
This is
Because the AliExpress, that website, I was going through reviews after I ordered it, and some of them said it never came.
Well, guys, I'll be getting something. Probably gonna be here tomorrow because my mom bought it. Hi, did you buy mine? What? Alright. Yep. We'll get it, guys. That's cold, guys. That's cold. That was too cold. That was 400 subscribers. The reason why I didn't do it is my twin, my stupid twin. We hit 100. My twin was here, so that sucks. Or maybe I was thinking of a plan, but yeah. That was for. But yeah. There they go.
She gets home before us.
Kendall just left. Hello everybody, this is Captain Prime Time here, and today we are gonna be
Are you really videoing?
yeah.
They can't even see you.
Yeah, they can. She just left for a trip. Now it's our turn. We're leaving on Tuesday, 7 o'clock Eastern time. That's when we're gonna be leaving. They just left right now. She's excited. Her water's not gonna be as warm as ours.
Yeah, this one is in the Gulf of Mexico. I can't tell you where we're going though.
Yeah, you guys have to guess. And so is his channel. So if you think you have it, go on his channel.
In the United States.
Yeah, it's in the United States. It's not. It's near Mexico. No, it's not near Mexico.
It's on the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah.
Why are you still filming this?
I'm thinking.
Are you gonna pop that out?
Yeah. We're just doing trick shots with these little balls. Hold on, I'll show you. He's shooting with the ball right now. He just made a back shot. Yeah. He's gonna make a long shot. Here, let me get a good view.
Like and subscribe, even if I don't make it. Oh, it's my practice. USA for America. Even if I don't make it, like and subscribe. Go subscribe to Connell Vlogs. Thanks for pulling me.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Oh, that's gonna go as a clickbait, kind of.
Ah!
Oh God!
Alright. That ball
Just went into this. Oh God! And now my food's all over the floor. That's way funny.
And I have to clean it up, which is not funny.
It is. That was me.
Hey, if you guys would buy one of these fidget things for $5, tell me.
One hour later.
Go, kitten.
2 hours later.
Oh, no, they can't hear you.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Go, go. Oh my God. He's twisting up.
Some say it's impossible if you put an egg in the palm of your hand and then squeeze. It's impossible for you to crack a egg. God, this is hard. Alright. I can't crack this. God. God. It's actually pretty hard. How did Brandon do it?
He messed up. He put it in the wrong spot of his hand.
Oh, God dang
Todd did it when he was like a bodybuilder kid. He couldn't even crack it.
it. God. Guys, it's impossible. God dang it. This thing's stupid. God dang it. This thing cracked my hip like that a little bit. God, this thing's sensitive. God.
Can I try?
Don't crack it.
Purposely.
Possible. You know what? Do that.
Dude! You're retarded. Honestly, no, you actually are. Egg yolk stays and it ruins stuff. Egg yolk, the yellow stuff, it ruins things. So that stain will be there forever. There will be a stain there for the rest of it.
Oh, are you sure about that?
Yeah, wait,
The rest. No. Alright, the rest of the me cleaning up the egg, it's not really important. I don't say anything, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. Oh, crap. Connor, show him the microphone. Show him the microphone. Yeah, it looks epic so far. There. It looks epic so far. If you didn't see the unboxing video, I'll put the link in the description down below. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.